How to get $100 White Castle promo code. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get $100 White Castle promo code. White Castle is a well-known American fast food chain. It is considered as one of the oldest fast food chains in United States. Now, if you are looking to get a $100 White Castle coupon code or the promo code, you will need to search the coupon codes in various coupon websites. You can find various coupon codes websites like Retail Me Not, Groupon or Coupon Chief. Here I am using the Coupon Chief. For that, first of all, you need to open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once on the browser, in the search bar, you need to type couponchief.com. Once you have typed in this keyword, now press the go button of your keyboard to search for it. And within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Coupon Chief. Here you will be able to see the search bar that says Search Stores. Tap on the search bar and here type in White Castle. Then search for it. You will be presented with the search results below. Here you need to tap on this White Castle coupon code saved using August 2024 coupons. Tap on this first link and you will reach to this page. Here you will be presented with a list of available coupons and promo codes related to White Castle. You may not get the exact $100 promo code here, but look through the list of these White Castle coupons and check the descriptions to see any one of them mention $100 promo code or significant discounts. Also, some coupon codes may have specific conditions such as minimum purchase requirement or an expiration date. Make sure to choose those that has not been expired yet. Also make sure to check the details of each coupon to find the one that suits your need. And if you find a coupon that offers a $100 discount or another appealing deal, you need to tap on the Get Promo Code button and then a pop-up window will appear. Here you will be able to see the coupon code. Now copy the coupon code. Tap and hold on the coupon code and tap on copy. Now the promo code has been copied successfully. Now you can apply this promo code on your products. You need to go to the White Castle website or the application and start your order. And during checkout, you can paste the promo code in the designated promo code box to apply the discount. So by following these steps, you should be able to get $100 White Castle promo code. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.